welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ziahh. Of course, if you're not, welcome back. As you can tell by the title, I am doing random days of my life. So it is currently Sunday and we are finna go to Ulta. And I don't know what other stores, but y'all just gonna come with me. I don't know what I'm gonna get yet. I don't know. But before we get started with this video, make sure you follow me on all social medias. They will be down in the description down below, y'all. And don't mind how I'm holding this camera, y'all. I'm using my back camera right now, as y'all can tell from the other videos. But yeah, so let's get straight into this video. We finna leave right now. Fit check. I'm just wearing my hoodie, and I'm wearing this one. Wearing them black shirt under it. Y'all see, I can't even see myself. And then I got some leggings on, and I got my boots. I've got my boots on. Don't mind how my mirror is cracked right here, y'all. I don't know what happened. And don't mind my room. That's one of the things that I need to do when I come back. But yeah, so I'm finna go. I don't know if I'm bringing my tripod, but yeah. Period, y'all. Period. Hold on. Don't hold it up because the sticker is in the way. Y'all, look at Yasir's bathroom. Period. Look at Yasir. Say hey, Yasir.
I need that.
Hi, Yasir. I'll say hi, Yasir.
Oh, sassy.
Oh, girl, no.
Dog standing real humble, ballin' in the mall for my brothers. Oh, your bag, told the cuddle, I got it out the field for Russell. Going ass Lord, about the paddock, then going ass Jordan ass dead. For the lead water, trying to drown a bitch. This a habit, street mama, bitch. Shit, I'm thinking I'm living a pimp. Shit, I'm cooking up boy like a dinner. Shit, I come from gon' keep niggas trim. Shit, I'm floating, I'm out in the flip. Shit, it look like I'm swimming in glass. Shit, I'm trying to hide you cause you bad. Shit, I'm making ass nigga mad. Shit, I'm gon' put that down for the fast. Really, I'm in the bag. Piping a bitch in the air like a can. Turn up the shooters, the bitch go bad. They was some yummers, but I was a fan. They been rapping my dog, you fall. No capping, no down on my brick. I'm on your bitch and I told her to call. Action, I'm making her quit. I ain't close. Got my little demons on gold. They ready to hit with your stick. I ain't close. Got my little bitch on gold. She ready to beat up the dick. My main hitters, call up the game members. They was already on the lick. Hanging with Beagles, all these drugs and guns. They we just again.
He wants to smoke. She want to see. She want to see.
What?
I cannot speak. We keeping it straight. We keeping it straight. I took a loss, but you still gon' get beat.
Can you what? No, bro. Y'all, they got drunk elephant. Look, it's this one. Oh, somebody been using that one. Look, they got drunk elephant, y'all. Bro, people be using these. Oh, it's in a box, but yeah. Drunk elephant, y'all. Hold on. I want this one, y'all, but the top is off.
Same nigga breaking down hoes left and right. I was counting up in on a private flight. All this chrome on my body like a medieval knight. I was fucking up a sack on that purple Sprite. Yeah, all my bitches beneficial, even told a pistol. Even blow like a whistle, lie to officials. I'll drip you down in crystals if I know you're real. How you geeking out your body off a pink pill. I caught your line, Tammy, and I fuck with you still. So many properties I bought, I'm king of the hill. Nigga need to learn his place before we put him in it. Stepping and swinging, I'm running shit. I might run for Senate.
Nobody don't.
I got a bitch up in the kitchen wearing them coochie cutters. Been my doggy out that cell, straight up out the gutter. Been them niggas every since possession needed feeling. And I fear I didn't see it, it was just me and Dylan. It was just me and Justin. Her hair while she taught me might give her concussion. I don't like discussions, I'm too rich for fussing. Look her dead in my eyes and how that pussy bustin'. live. Your baby daddy broke, no need for him to ride a wheel. I put paint on my nails, bitches fucking still. It's so money in
These
my
earrings,
bank.
I don't see no rings. But I want one from Pandora. Okay, y'all, so I got back a few hours ago. It is currently 6:32. So right now what I'm finna do is I'm finna go ahead, clean up my room, take all my plates and stuff downstairs. Got one I'm finna wear tomorrow. Y'all, I had forgot to wash yesterday, y'all. I mean today. So I'm gonna wash tomorrow. I already got out what I'm finna wear, so yeah, it's really not a lot that I have to do to my room. I just gotta sweep, take all the plates and stuff downstairs, and that's basically all. So y'all finna see me do all that. Yeah, so yeah, and then I gonna take a shower and all that stuff. I'm gonna brush my teeth and wash my face, and yeah, that's my day in the life. So yeah, y'all.
She try to take me with that nigga can't see me on me. She try to fight me with she try to fight me on me. She try to fight me can't see me on me. It's extra on my edge. She's so pretty, little better than cast. I know she's calling me daddy. I know she turn it up and I guess. Came at the color and then me the swagger. Threw the bag out of bitch, I'm a begging. Trying to know I got the rest, she good. Since we living in the middle of my hood. Good. Now they looking the same. I live with everybody in my chain. That's your championship, but you gon' answer. She be breaking the niggas like a kid.
Okay, y'all, so while I'm doing this, I'm gonna talk to y'all a little bit, cause yeah. So I recorded my Sunday rest and I recently just posted. Make sure y'all go check that video out. I wanna so I'm doing a day in vlog right now, and tomorrow I wanna do a morning routine. It's kind of updated, but I'm not gonna put updated because that's just doing too much. I don't know if I'm gonna put updated, but it's kind of updated. I'm recording a morning routine tomorrow. And then also tomorrow I want to do an after school night routine. Or is that doing too much? Should I record it my after school night routine Tuesday? No, I can't do that because I got something to do after school Tuesday. Cause I got my end of the cheer season thing. Oh yes, tomorrow I gotta turn in my cheer shoes because I already did my cheer uniform. I gotta turn in my cheer shoes and all that. So I think what I'm gonna do is tomorrow I'm gonna record my morning routine and also my after school night routine, so I can post my so I think I'm posting my day in the life today, cause I'm already done editing this. I gotta just edit that part. Y'all, I'm real fast cause I know how to edit real good, but yeah, so I just gotta edit this clip and hopefully I'm posting it today. If not, I'm posting it tomorrow. But I want to post this today and then post my morning routine tomorrow. But also on Tuesday, I want to post my morning routine. And then my after school night routine can be Friday because I don't want to waste all my videos in them days, because when I really don't feel like getting up vlogging or nothing or recording, I could just post them videos. So I want to post my after school night routine on Friday. And yeah, so that's what I'm going to do. I feel like that's what I'm going to do, y'all. I'm running out of Vaseline, but I'll put this on my lips. My lips been real dry lately. But yeah, I'm trying to figure out what days should I post. I'm thinking about posting only on Fridays and Wednesdays. But it's I don't know, because I post when I post, to be honest. I don't got time. So I'm gonna just keep on doing my regular. And post when I wanna post. But yeah. Yeah, y'all, looking real cute, looking real good. Period. Yeah, y'all, so yeah. Y'all see my little ponytail? Should I wear like this tomorrow? Should I wear it like that? Should I keep my hair like this? Because I need to take my hair down. Y'all, I need my hair done and everything. I'm gonna see if my auntie can do it, because I really need my hair done. And I need some more lip gloss, y'all. I was out today and I didn't find no lip gloss at Five Below. And at Ulta, they didn't have my regular lip gloss. You know, the glossy lip gloss. Cause we was there for specific things. We wasn't really walking around the whole store or nothing. So I didn't find my lip gloss. But it's cool. But yeah. But anyways, y'all, this is the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the notification down below for miss any video I post or ever posted. Make sure y'all comment down below what videos y'all want to see of me next, and comment down below what part of the video was your favorite. Don't forget to follow me on my social medias. And yeah, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, period. But bye, y'all.